Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and at the dashboard. Now open the post you want to edit. First, choose whether you'll use Compose for visual linking or HTML for precise control. Once done, select the words that will become the link. This is critical because clear anchor text improves readability and accessibility. At the same time, prepare the destination URL and decide if you want it to open in a new tab. Make sure to save a draft before making bulk edits. Now insert the hyperlink. In Compose mode, highlight the anchor text and click the link icon, then paste the URL and confirm. The editor handles markup for you. If you prefer exact control, switch to HTML and wrap the anchor text with the anchor tag like a href equals URL text /a. If you want the link to open in a new tab, add target equals blank, and for security, include rel equals newpiner. After adding, preview to verify the link behaves as expected. Finish by previewing the post and clicking the link on both desktop and mobile to confirm it lands where you expect. Once satisfied, save or publish the post. Make sure to clear your browser cache if you still see old content. If the link fails, check for common issues. Typos in the URL, missing HTTP or HTTPS, or server-side redirects. If the problem persists, open the post HTML to verify the anchor tag is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.